Hey guys, today is Monday, June 8th. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today for Earth Science, you're going to be taking your volcano assessment. So there's a couple things that I want to go through with you today because there's a lot of directions for today. So for task one, the first thing you're going to be going to is this chart here, the volcano assignment chart. Everyone's going to be assigned a different volcano. You're going to click here on this link and it'll bring you to a chart that looks like this. Okay, and next you'll scroll down, find your name, and next to your name there will be a volcano. So once you've figured out the name of your volcano, you're going to then be researching this volcano and answering different questions. I'll get to what those questions are in a minute. So once you know the name of your volcano, you're going to scroll down here. And down here under task 3 are all the links to every volcano that we've assigned. So let's say that I opened up my list and I found out that I had to do Krakatoa, Indonesia. So I would click on this Google form link and I'll complete this Google form. Now, not everyone's going to be completing the same Google form. It's all based upon the name of your volcano. So make sure that you are being extra careful what the name of your volcano is. So just to give you a little help, okay, these questions here that are listed, these are the questions that are basically on the Google form. So what type of volcano is it? Is it a strato? Is it a cinder? All those different types. What type of eruption is the most common? So is it what? Remember that these eruptions are based on the volcano type. What made this volcano famous? What type of eruption made it famous? What type of products were produced? When was this volcano's most famous eruption? And then when did this volcano last erupt? So there's two different resources that we put together for you guys to help you stay organized and also find the right information. So you're going to see up here it says resource page. If you click on this, it's going to bring you to a list of all the different volcanoes that you guys are being assigned, and then different resources that you can do that you can travel to help you find the information. So please use this. Mr. McCarthy and I spent time putting this together. These are all great resources where you can find the information that you need. The other thing that we put together for you, and this is totally optional, is if you scroll down here, we put together a note sheet, kind of like a graphic organizer, just so that you can help yourself stay organized. This is optional. It is not required. But if you would like to have all your information in one spot before you take your Google form, you can, you're going to open this link. You'll have to make your own copy of it. You do not need to turn this in. Again, it's totally optional, but this is all the questions that are on the Google form. And you can type your notes in here, and that way, once you're doing the Google form, everything's in one spot. So that's a resource that you can use for yourself. So make sure you're following the directions. Make sure you are really paying attention to detail. And if you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers. And the best of luck. Enjoy.